What is this? Do you know? Do the children know? What is this?
Nope.
Nope. It's found in our kitchen. It's found in every kitchen. It's probably not found in every kitchen, but it's found in my kitchen. We have never used this because nobody uses this for what it is. It actually says what it is on it. But if you didn't see that, would you know what this gadget is? No, it is a spaghetti measurer. You're supposed to measure the spaghetti for people. This is for 1 person, 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. Okay? This is not enough for 4 people, because we eat a lot. That is definitely not enough for me. Okay? I know I make too much, so this is probably why you need one of these. But this is what I made for a family of 3 plus 1-year-old. And it was not this size or this size. But anyway, I figured out what we can do with it, people. Look at this. If you have one of these in your kitchen, aren't we lucky that I have different size shot glasses? Unfortunately, I do not have a shot glass that small, but I do have the lid to a pacifier, which fits. And now it can be a place where you can bartend your way through life. It's a tequila shot holder. Whoop, 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 whoop. You don't need it for spaghetti. You need it so you can take it around. Hi, I'm at a party. I've got my shot glass holder. That's right. Here we go. Yeah, I know. When you get older, you can have some. But for now, Mummy gets to use all her different sizes. Plus your dummy pacifier thing. Thank you. Cheers. I put too much in. I can't do any more. This is a weird one. Ooh! 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, 4/floor/ I got my gadget. I'm off to my party.